You're watching Broadside Adventures, hosted by Rocky Francis.
Yep, we're down here we're in Destin, Florida. Actually, we're getting ready to kick off a new segment here on Broadside Adventures. We're going to be doing some fishing, some coastal fishing. We've brought in Dr. Frank Hayward back from my hometown, Cape Girardeau. And Frank is a deep sea fisherman, loves to be out at sea, and it was just kind of a perfect team up. But Frank has purchased a new boat, and like I said, we're in Destin. That's where we're going to be putting the boat in. Then we're going to be taking it back up to Pensacola. They're getting ready to put the boat in the water, so we better get out of the way. Yep, we're almost rigged up. Supposed to start our fishing tomorrow with Dr. Frank Hayward of Frankly Fishing Team. Like I said, it's something new we're trying this year. So we're excited about it. We got a lot of rod and reels, a lot of setup for tomorrow. This is the first time that the Broadside team will actually be headed out to the deep waters of the ocean to go after some of these snapper and possibly some trolling for tuna. It's going to be an exciting time. It's some, it's a trip that, or actually I should say, it's going to be several trips that we're going to do over this season. And I'm really looking forward. It's a nice change from sitting in the tree stand. So get finished, loaded up, get Frank out here, and we'll be on our way for tomorrow early morning fishing. You fillet this and eat it. I think that's for catching butterflies. Hey, we're down here in Pensacola going out for our first morning. Did a little fishing. We're going to be headed out for some amberjack, just about anything we can find really. The weather forecast for the day was supposed to be nice. We weren't supposed to have a lot of bad seas. I think what are they calling for now, Frank?
4 to 6.
4 to 6.
4 to 6 foot seas.
So it's going to be a little bit rough out there. But we're going to give it a try and see what happens.
Put that in over there so you have it on it.
Yeah. Get us a table set up.
Oh, right. We'll swing it around.
Turn it. But anyway, it's going to be a good day, even though we may have some rough seas. We're getting out there, so. Once we get all this stuff loaded up and geared up, we'll be getting out of here.
All right, everybody on board, let's go.
Hey,
it's our first morning down here in Pensacola. Well, actually, the second morning. Yesterday we picked up Frank's new boat, and I tell you what, we're going to be headed out. Weather permitting, we're looking at some 4 to 6 foot seas today, but Captain Jake thinks that we can still get out here and get on some of these big amberjack, some grouper, a little bit of everything, hopefully. We had hoped to actually troll today, but like I said, the weather is just not going to be permitting. You know, this is something new we're going to be doing this season on Broadside Adventures. We got Dr. Frank Hayward. He's a neurosurgeon from Cape Girardeau, my hometown. And he's going to be doing a little bit of fishing shows with me here on Broadside to give everybody a taste of not only hunting, but also some fishing and deep sea fishing. So it's going to be an exciting show and a lot of shows to come this season from the Gulf down here. So we're getting ready to head out to sea. So we're going to latch down, get safe, and then we'll get back to you as soon as the fishing starts. I'm here with Dr. Frank Hayward. Like I said before, he's a neurosurgeon from Cape Girardeau, my hometown, and a friend of mine that we're going to be teaming up this season and giving you guys some not only hunting action, but some fishing action down here in the Gulf. Frank, we got the new boat yesterday. You got to be excited. This is excited. A beautiful fishing boat.
First, I like to add that I actually practice in Cape Girardeau. I'm from Cape. I live in Cape Girardeau also.
Yeah, he's from Philly, but we won't hold that against
I love Cape. Okay.
But yeah, this boat, like I said, this boat is incredible. Just incredible. I'm looking forward to fishing on it. Like I said, you've got to be excited about this new boat.
What we have here is we have a 32-foot catamaran powered by twin 250 engines. We're going to go out probably about 40-45 miles out in the Gulf. Weather predictions, 4 to 6 foot seas. So it's going to be rough. It's going to be rough, and we'll just play it by ear. Hopefully we'll get some amberjack, some snapper, some grouper. We'll see what else we get.
Well, it's going to be an exciting day. We're going to show you some different footage of this boat, some of the electronics, different things, just because there's some of you guys out there that are boating fanatics, and you're going to love some of the features on this boat. And then for all you guys that just want to see a big fish pulled in, we're hoping to bring that to you. So I guess we better get latched down before we head out to the big seas here. So
we got our radar spinning and we're ready to go.
All right. To tell you right now, other than I just want to sit here and be quiet. We're about 2.5 hours out, running about 32 miles an hour.
Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about.
So about 65 miles out off the coast. So I've got to rest a few minutes. Standing up, plus just if you're not used to this, I may stay on land a little more, let Frank do this a little more often.
So we're following the dolphin right now. I guess if we can't catch fish, we can follow dolphin. Or are they following us? I don't know.